Hello learners, and a warm welcome to English Practice Beginners, your calm, friendly and practical space for learning English slowly, clearly and confidently. Today we are going to explore 100 essential English sentences that every beginner must know, practice and use in real life, all designed to help you speak naturally, confidently and fluently. The focus of this session is slow listening, shadowing and repetition, techniques that allow your mind and tongue to absorb English naturally without pressure or rush. Every sentence is practical, simple and useful for daily life situations, whether at home, at school, at work or when chatting with friends. Before we start, take a deep breath, sit comfortably and prepare yourself to listen carefully, repeat slowly, and practice with full attention, because every small step you take today will build a strong foundation for your fluency. Let's begin with morning routines, the part of the day that sets the tone for everything that follows. The way you start your morning can influence your speaking rhythm, your confidence, and your English habits throughout the day. So listen slowly, repeat each sentence and imagine yourself performing each action while speaking. Start gently. I wake up early and stretch my arms slowly. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I sit up calmly and plan to make today productive. I wash my face with cool water and brush my teeth carefully. I comb my hair neatly and choose my clothes thoughtfully. I make my bed slowly, ensuring everything is tidy. I prepare a light breakfast, focusing on every small detail. I drink water to feel refreshed and energized. I sit and eat calmly, paying attention to the taste and texture of my food. I think about my plans for the day while sipping tea or juice. I pack my bag step by step and check that I have everything I need. I lock the door gently, take one last glance around the room, and step outside with a calm mind. Each of these sentences is simple, yet practicing them repeatedly builds both vocabulary and confidence. By shadowing these lines, you not only learn the words, but also how to express them with clarity and calmness. Next, we move to travel and outside routines, which help you communicate effectively while commuting or running errands. Every learner benefits from knowing English sentences used during travel, waiting, or short conversations with people outside the home. I walk to the bus stop slowly, noticing the environment around me. I wait patiently for the bus, observing people, vehicles, and the surroundings. I greet the driver politely as I get on. I find a comfortable seat, look outside the window, and enjoy the view. I listen to soft music or think quietly while traveling. I plan my day in my mind or review the schedule. I get off the bus and walk to my destination with calm confidence. I enter buildings politely and greet others with a smile. I ask for help using sentences like, "Excuse me, can you help me with this?" and respond politely with, "Thank you, I appreciate it." These sentences are practical, polite, and build soft communication skills. Repeating them every day makes them natural and automatic, which is crucial for beginners learning English in real situations. Now, let's focus on work or study environment sentences, where clear and calm English is essential. I greet my colleagues or classmates with "Good morning" politely. I sit at my desk and arrange my books, papers, and materials neatly. I open my laptop or notebook carefully and check emails or messages with attention. I start tasks one at a time, avoiding rushing. I ask questions clearly when I need help. I explain my ideas slowly and politely so others can understand easily. I take short breaks to refresh my mind and stretch my body lightly. I drink water regularly to stay energized. I check my schedule for tasks and plan the next steps. I complete projects gradually, noting down important points for later. I thank my colleagues or teachers sincerely after receiving assistance. I engage in small talk using gentle, polite sentences like, "How is your day going?" or "Did you enjoy your weekend?" Shadowing these lines daily helps you practice both casual and professional conversations. They are designed to improve fluency naturally without overwhelming beginners. Lunchtime and afternoon conversations are equally important for smooth English. I take my lunch break slowly, focusing on eating calmly. I sit quietly and enjoy each bite, appreciating the taste of my meal. I interact politely with colleagues or friends, using phrases like, "Could you pass the salt, please?" or "Thank you, I appreciate it." I respond gently, "No problem," or "You're welcome." I go for a short walk after eating to refresh myself. I return to work or study with a focused mind. I review remaining tasks step by step. I reply to messages slowly and clearly. I maintain a positive attitude throughout the afternoon. Each of these sentences allows learners to develop vocabulary for casual, polite, and effective communication. Practicing them repeatedly builds both confidence and rhythm, which is essential for fluency. Evening routines help learners express daily habits and relaxing moments naturally. I walk home slowly, enjoying the fresh air. I greet neighbours or friends politely when I meet them. I unlock the door, enter my home, and put my belongings in their place. I wash my hands and face, change into comfortable clothes, and prepare a light dinner. I eat slowly and calmly, appreciating the flavours. I clean the kitchen after finishing. I engage in conversations with family or friends, using simple sentences like, "How was your day?" or "Did you enjoy your meal?" I watch a short TV program or read a few pages of a book. I relax on the sofa and think about my day. Evening sentences like these help learners describe daily life in English naturally and comfortably. Shadowing and repeating them improves pronunciation, sentence structure, and everyday vocabulary. Finally, nighttime routines guide learners to finish their day with peace and reflection. I tidy my room to feel organized. I set my alarm for the next morning. I take deep breaths and relax my mind. I reflect on the day's achievements and feel grateful for small successes. I lie down on my bed calmly. I close my eyes slowly and think of positive moments. I fall asleep peacefully, preparing for a new day. Practicing these lines daily develops the ability to speak about personal habits, routines, and feelings in English. The sentences are slow, simple, and repeatable, which is ideal for beginner learners. By practicing all these 100 essential sentences every day, learners improve pronunciation, clarity, and confidence. Listening slowly, shadowing, and repeating are keys to building fluency. Beginners often worry about grammar, but using these simple sentences in context builds strong communication skills faster than memorizing complex rules. Every line practiced becomes a natural part of speech, allowing learners to converse effectively in real-life situations, whether at home, work, school, or casual social interactions. Regular repetition reinforces memory, improves sentence rhythm, and increases confidence in both speaking and listening. At English Practice Beginners, we focus on creating content that is practical, calm, and beginner-friendly. Our goal is to help learners speak English naturally without stress, pressure, or overwhelming vocabulary. Shadowing these 100 essential sentences daily builds habits that make English part of your daily life. Small, consistent practice is more effective than long, rushed study sessions. Remember, fluency grows slowly, step by step, with gentle repetition, patient listening, and confident speaking. Thank you for joining today's session. Keep listening, shadowing, and repeating these 100 sentences. Every sentence you practice strengthens your vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. Practice daily, speak slowly, think clearly, and enjoy your English journey. English becomes easy, natural, and confident when practiced consistently in a calm, focused manner. I will see you in the next session with more simple, practical, and beginner-friendly English content. Your daily practice today is a step closer to fluency, and every sentence shadowed will help you communicate naturally and clearly in English.